Hello everyone. In this video I will explain to you a step-by-step how to work with your P6 XER portfolio analyzer visual. So first of all, there are two ways to add your XERs. Either you add it directly here using a direct import. So if you import here and you select all the XERs and add it, you will find that all the XER selected will be added accordingly. So this is the first way to add your XER files. The second way to do so is to go to Home and then open your query, and you will find here there is a parameter with where exactly this folder is. So all you need to do if you want to work in your own Power BI visual, or sorry, Power BI file, so all you need to do to go to new source and then click blank query, and then click on the advanced editor, and all what you need to do is to copy the code exactly used here, which is this code. Just copy it all and paste it here in your query. After you select the advanced editor, paste it here and just click done. And then click this parameter with the same name called XER folder path and add here your path. That's all you need to do. So after you do that, you can close it. And let's now try the other way. Now, this is your visual. And after you add this query, you will find that there is 3 columns here. All you need to do to add the XER files here, the XER file name here, and the project name here. That's all. You don't have to import anything manually, and when you just collapse all, you'll see all the projects there immediately. So this is how you add your files. So let's now walk you through the features of the visual itself. So the first panel is a project overview panel. From this panel, you can expand and collapse. You can see your projects. You can filter based on your XER file name or project name, project ID, if you want a specific work breakdown structure, if you want to also based on an activity ID or name, resource ID or name as well. And if you expand any of those, you'll find all the WBS are highlighted in colors. One thing I would like to mention here, each panel has its own section here. So if you open the project overview, you'll find everything here. You can open you can turn on and off anything you like here as well. So this is another option. If you want to show grid lines, for example, anything like this, you can easily do. Show summary status of the project like this. So all these are options. You can change all the colors that you like. So all the options are available. For the main layout, if you want to hide this one at the top, you can just click it off. It will be hidden. So this is the first one. You can see all the information you like. Also, if you want to highlight the critical activities from the top here, you'll find that there is highlight critical activities. If you click it on, it will be highlighted as critical. If you turn it off, it will get back to normal. Second one is the Gantt chart. So in this one, if you already have a filter from the previous one, it will still here. So if you make sure you click reset if you see only few of the projects that you already imported. Now you see all the WBS levels and everything here. So these are the Gantt chart. If you want to make the fit to size on, you can see each project with its own cutoff date. So this is just a sample Gantt chart. This is the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you see the name of the project. Also, you see here all the projects loaded. So I can just by one click, I can just see the status of my project. I can see how many activities, duration, start and finish date, forecast completion date, cutoff date. There is a slippage. Also, I see the criticality, duration percent, activity with duration percent type or physical. Also, this is the status of completed, in progress, and not started activities, and the activity types as well. As to the DCMA 14 points, you'll see here this is the overall score, and each point here with the count and value. If you go here to the DCMA 14 point, you'll find that each item has its own threshold, and you can actually edit this threshold itself. So it's not fixed. So if you want to change it based on your metrics, so you can do this as well. So this is something that's up to you to decide. For the dashboard also, there are some options if you like to try it out. Same for the Gantt chart. So this is basically how you work with your P6 XER portfolio analyzer visual.